start today's topic with the nature of roots. That is the last topic of this lesson. Nature of roots. We have also learned in linear equation in two variables that what are the natures of line. Okay, by comparing the two simultaneous equations, we came to know that whether the nature of lines are intersecting, they are coincident or they are parallel. If they have solution, they have no solution, or they have infinitely solution. So in this lesson also, in quadratic equation, we will define the nature of the roots, and that is very easy to define the nature of the roots. As in last video we have learned how to find out the roots by using formula method. So in that only formula method, you were knowing that we were first finding out the value of b square minus 4ac, and if the value of b square minus 4ac comes equal to 0 or greater than 0, then only we were proceeding and we were finding out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Why it is so? So why it is so, it will be explained in nature of roots. See here, three different conditions are there. We say if ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation, is a given quadratic equation. So if number 1, b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. You might have seen many of the problem. If b square minus 4ac is coming greater than 0, then the roots, three conditions are there. Number 1, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real. Roots are real and unequal. Unequal means there will be distinct roots. Distinct root मतलब दो अलग अलग रूट्स मिलेंगे आपको, सभी के रूट्स मिलेंगे नहीं। कब? जब b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की वैल्यू कैसे आती होगी? ग्रेटर देन 0। आपने देखा होगा अगर ये ग्रेटर देन 0 और मतलब सपोज यहाँ पे 3 आया तो प्लस माइनस लिखते हैं, पर यहाँ कोई भी नंबर रहता है तो दो अलग अलग रूट्स मिलते हैं, एक 4 प्लस रूट 3 और दूसरा मिलता है 4 माइनस रूट 3। Like this, two distinct roots you will get, and they will be real roots, but they will be real, but they will be distinct. Distinct means they will be different roots. Okay? When the first condition is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Next is if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. अगर ये equals to 0 आता है तो क्या रहेगा? Then roots are real. Roots will be real and they will be equal. They will be equal. Roots are real and equal. अब real और equal कैसा आएगा? देखो यहाँ सपोज कुछ तो भी आया 4 प्लस माइनस एंड b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 0 आ गया। अब क्या होगा? नीचे कुछ और नंबर है सपोज ऐसा, तो आप क्या करेंगे? 4, ये रूट 0 इज नथिंग, तो क्या आया यहाँ पे 4/3। द रूट क्या आया? रियल आया और कैसा आया? इक्वल आया। आपको अगर रूट लिखना हो तो क्या लिखोगे आप? 4/3 4/3 रियल रहेंगे नहीं, दे आर रूट्स आर नॉट रियल, रूट्स आर नॉट रियल। आपने देखा होगा अगर इसके आगे माइनस आ गया, -2 -4 एनीथिंग, तो इसके सामने सॉल्व ही नहीं होगा वो, इसके सामने सॉल्व ही नहीं होगा वो। तो वी कैन राइट इफ b square minus 4ac is less than 0 then roots are not real, रूट्स ऐसे वक्त रियल नहीं रहेंगे। अंडरस्टैंड मींस दे विल बी इमेजिनरी रूट्स। कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में देखेंगे अपन 11th स्टैंडर्ड में वो, तो हियर वी विल से दैट इफ b square minus 4ac is less than 0 then roots are not real. These three conditions are there that are very important. On this basis questions can be asked to you, ठीक है। अब ये क्या है, this b square minus 4ac is also called as discriminant, ठीक है। Understand? So you can also be asked that find out the value of a discriminant in this given quadratic equation. तो ध्यान में रखना discriminant means क्या होता है, सिर्फ b square minus 4ac. So by finding the value of discriminant we can find out the nature of the roots. Okay, now we'll see some problems of exercise 4. I think 4 is there or 5 is there something, depending upon this only nature of roots. So let us see. So exercise 4.4 question number 1. It is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists then find it. पहले तो अपने को नेचर डिफाइन करना है, नेचर डिफाइन करने के बाद में अगर रूट्स रियल होते हैं then we have to find out its roots. Here number 1, two x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. So we will find the discriminant. क्या आएगा देखो, what is a, 2, b minus 3, c is 5. Now discriminant d, it is denoted by d, is equals to b square minus 4ac. b square means 3 square minus 4 into what is a, 2 into c is 5. 3 square is 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. करो क्या आएगा, 9 minus 40 is minus of 31. Okay, value discriminant is equals to minus 31. So what we can say now, therefore b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac is coming less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. Roots real रहेंगे नहीं. So no need to find out roots. Another one we will take. Second one. Second one is 3x square minus 4 root 3 plus 4 equals to 0. Let us find a is AC. B square minus of 4 root 3 square minus 4 into what is A? 3 into what is C? 4. 16. 16 3 it is 48 minus 4 4 16. 16 3 48. So it is 0. So discriminant is coming equals to 0. Therefore as B square minus 4AC is equals to 0, therefore roots are real and also they are equal. If they are real and equal, means root exists. If root exists, then find out the roots. X is equals to minus of B plus minus B square minus 4AC upon twice A minus what is B? What is B? 4 root 3 plus minus B square minus 4AC is how much? Is 0. Twice A. What is A? 3. So minus 4 root 3 upon 2 3 is 6 or 2 root 3 लिखो, sorry 2 3 लिखो, 2 1 का 2 2 का, so minus root 3 by 3. So this is the value of x. Therefore roots of given equation is minus of root 3 upon 3 comma minus of root 3 upon 3. ठीक है? So this is how we can find out the roots if they exist. First of all, we have to find out the nature. If after finding out the nature, if root exists, then we can find out the roots. Or if it is not exist, then we have to stop at that time. Okay, there only. So one more question. Find the values of k for which each of the quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Equal roots बोला है. So question number 2, number 1 is 2x square minus. Okay. Now roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal means you should know the condition. What is a here? 2. B here minus a. And what is the value of c here? 3. Now as roots are real and equal, therefore b square minus 4ac must be 0. As it is 0, to start b square means minus a square minus 4 into क्या आएगा 4 into what is a 2 into c 3 equals to 0. It is k square minus 4 2s are 8 8 3s are how much 24 equals to 0. Send 24 to that side. K square is equals to how much? Plus 24. Now k will be equal to taking square root. It will be plus minus root of 24. Or we can write k is equals to plus minus 2 root 6. ठीक है, आंसर इस बार लिखना है आपको। इफ रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन देन द वैल्यू ऑफ k will be 2 plus minus 2 root 6. Next, again one is there in that you will see. It is kx x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Let us solve. First we will simplify it. K into kx into x is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 0. Okay. Now you know as roots are real and equal, so b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Let's solve. What is b? Minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into k into c6. चलो ये क्या आएगा? 4k स्क्वायर माइनस 4 6 are 24k इक्वल्स टू 0. ठीक है, अब क्या आया बोलो? you can take out 4k common. What remains here? k minus 6 equals to 0. Now 4k equals to 0 and k minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore k will be equals to 0 and k will be equals to 6. So these are the values of the k if roots are real and equal. Okay, so this is how we have finished this lesson. Whatever queries you have, you can ask me anytime. Okay, please do this lesson properly. First only this time due to corona they have reduced too many things. Too many things means that they have reduced word problem means everything they have reduced. Okay, so very few things are left here, so you have to study hard for this. Okay, so chalo, thank you very much. Do study and bring a perfection in this lesson, that each and everything should be solved very easily and you will get good marks. Okay, use this time for your family, use this time for your country. Okay, now only define your aim for your country, that how your